Hello viewers, welcome to ITTAC online training. In this video, we will be demonstrating on how to reset the root password in RHEL 8. We human beings tend to forget things. I'll give you an example. One of my friend is a software developer and had a laptop installed with CentOS with all developing softwares. One fine day, he was telling, I lost my root password. Can you recover and give it to me? And I said, it is not possible to recover. I will reset the root password and give it to you. So in this video, I will be showing a demonstration how to recover a root password. So I have already installed with a virtual machine RHEL 8. First of all, I will connect to that machine. And whenever the machine is switched on, first thing is post power on self test. After post, it will execute MBR master boot record and it will search for the first boot device, and in that boot device it will look for the first sector and starts switching on the machine, and we will see the grub menu. So when we appear the grub menu, we have to click on arrow button on the keyboard and we have to interrupt the grub menu. So in that you can see in the grub menu you can see the kernel line. If you click on this line, your machine is going to boot, but this time I'll be going for E to edit so that I'm not allowing the system to enter into the kernel. So you have to go to the line with the beginning Linux, and in that line we have to go to the end of the line by pressing Ctrl E, and we have to write rd.break. Rd means RAM drive. So what we are doing is here we are stopping the RAM drive so that the system will not enter into the grub by creating the RAM menu, RAM drive, that is called as a initial RAM drive, init rd. So after typing rd.break, you can see here rd.break. What we have to do is rd.break. So now we have to press Ctrl X on the keyboard. So we'll press Ctrl X. So once you press Ctrl X, the system will enter into the single user mode, where the system will start the system with the minimum drivers, and it will enter into the full privilege mode. It's something like a emergency mode, where the system will jump into a root prompt. You can see hash prompt, that is nothing but a root prompt, where we will have full privilege. Here the file system will be loaded as, you can see the last line over here, and you can observe the file system, that is /sysroot, and /sysroot, you can see here /sysroot, and it is mounted as RO. RO means read only, but when you have read only file system, you cannot update the things. So what we have to do is we have to change the RO into RW. So for that, I'll click on yes, and I have to type mount, then I have to remount it, -O remount, comma RW, that is read and write, then /sysroot. Now the sysroot file system, nothing but a root file system, /partition, which will be loaded as with the R and W that you can see in the last line. So now you can observe your Red Hat is mounted as RW. So RW, that is read and write. Now I am capable of doing that is passwd root. But passwd command is not executing because I am not having a shell. So to get the shell, I have to type chroot / sysroot. Okay, my sysroot file system is loaded with the sh prompt, that is shell prompt. So now what I'll do is, in this shell prompt, I'll try to mount the file system, that is, sorry, not mount the file system. Again, I'll change the password, that is passwd and root. It is asking for a root password. I'll type a password. Now authentication tokens updated successfully. That means my password is changed. Now once the password is changed, there is a one SE Linux. That SE Linux will inform the system that somebody is tampering the system. So SE Linux relabeling will be done. So in order to clear that relabeling, so what we have to do is touch /auto relabel relabel. Now the system will start relabeling. So with that, we have resetted the password. Now if you reload the system is going to load properly, and your root password is modified. So I'll say exit. Once again I'll say exit, and now logout will work, and with that SE Linux target started relabeling, and it will take a very long time depending on your file system size and the speed of the hard disk. So with that, we understood how to reset the root password in RHEL 8. I hope you understood this. Thank you.